I want to ask a question that I'm absolutely fucking positive no young conservative can answer. My question is this: can you define the words liberal, progressive, anarchist, and Marxist? Can you define the word woke? If you cannot define these words, then you don't know what the fuck they mean. So why do you keep using them? If you don't read books, you won't know what words mean. And since most young conservatives haven't read a book since high school, unless you count their car's owner's manual, they don't know what these words mean. They just parrot what they see online. Parroting information, not knowledge. You have no knowledge. If you don't understand what you hate, then you're unclear in your beliefs. If you're unclear in your beliefs, then ask yourself some questions.